So how does the Motus program actually protect unit owners? Condo owners in California have a special assessment exposure ranging from $200,000 up to $10 million, the unit owner's share of rebuilding the HOA. Let's look at an owner in a typical garden-style HOA with an exposure of $400,000. What coverage does this unit owner need? They need $400,000 of coverage that includes everything they could be assessed for. But what coverage can they actually access today? The answer is not much. Fractional coverage with exclusions from many critical exposures. Not exactly a recipe for rapid recovery. And this is why the Motus program was developed. Boards are depending on unit owners to be resilient. And how can they if unit owners can't buy full coverage? With Motus, they can. Up to $10 million per unit without the exclusions found in other products. And Motus is a fraction of the cost of traditional options.